I'm back with another video. I said I'm back with another video. It's your boy Miss, man. We here with some potato corner. Little potato guy here. Thumbnail got the potato guy. Man, okay. So I ended up using a coupon and I have Grab Unlimited, and it took the price down from like 600 to about like 450 baht. I'm not too sure. So one of everything, the normal chicken nuggets. No, this one's the popcorn chicken. This is like their new chicken that I saw. It said new item, so I went ahead and got that. Their fish, I believe these are like the fish bites. And what I was really excited for was the pizza bite. So here's the barbecue pizza bite, I believe, because it's like brown. And here's the normal pizza bite. First thing I want to try out is the pizza roll. Let's see. Oh my God. I don't know, maybe because I'm just hungry, but this is really, really good. It kind of tastes like a pizza roll, but like ingredients in Thailand and America are totally different. Like tomatoes, they don't taste the same. The spaghetti here is like a little more sweet than like the normal spaghetti, like spaghetti sauce you'll find at like Walmart. I want to go straight into the barbecue one. Honestly, I think it's the same thing, but they just have this like dust on it. It tastes okay. It really just tastes like the same thing, honestly. Tastes the same, a little bit of barbecue, but no big difference. The difference between these, oh, this one's softer. This one's a little bit more tough. But yeah, let's go ahead and try this one out. Wow. Wow, okay. Yeah, that's some pretty tender chicken, honestly. That's pretty good. I see why people are always lined up to this place, man. Everything I've eaten so far has just been good. Like, let's go ahead and try the hard one. Well, God damn. What the hell? There's like bone in it? Oh, hell no. Like, bro, that's bone. Maybe that's just a bad one, but
you don't order?
I didn't order anything spicy. No.
Oh, you missing out.
No, I'm fine. Have you had that?
Never before.
You don't like it?
You like it?
Yeah. Well, okay. I kind of like that one. Like the barbecue is whatever, but here's the original one. Try that one. That's the normal one.
Okay, I don't like.
What?
No, it's so sweet and like.
Yeah, it's sweet. It is. It is.
No.
It's just like the tomatoes here. The tomatoes here are sweet.
Tomato and.
You don't like tomato?
I like tomato, but it's so sweet.
Yeah, it's good.
No.
Oh, give me that. I'm gonna eat it. This is probably my favorite. Maybe I don't know. I really like this. I don't know what's wrong with her. Boy, that was good. It reminds me like a sloppy Joe.
It's kind of salty a little bit.
Yeah, it is salty. Yeah, all of it is salty. This is their old one.
How different?
That one's soft. This one's like super crunchy. It tastes like there's bone. Like there's bone in this one too. Like I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it.
I like it.
You like that one? This one's like whatever, but you like that one?
Yeah. It's so crispy.
It kind of has like a fried okra kind of taste. You know what okra is? Yeah, there's bone in it. You like that?
Yeah.
Maybe it's just me. I don't know. You can have these. I don't want them.
Okay.
You can have those.
Thank you.
Chicken nuggets. They call it chicky nuggets. Wow. These taste just like McDonald's ones. McDonald's chicken nuggets from America. The ones here in Thailand do not taste the same. These taste like American chicken nuggets.
How? It's McDonald's. It's same.
It's not the same. It's not the same.
It's
Yeah.
different.
That's the McDonald's chicken nuggets, because the ones in Thailand are kind of rough.
Oh, this one's good.
It's good, yeah. They taste just like normal. Try the French fry. Try the French fry. Try 2 of them at the same time. Oh, you're still eating. She's a slow eater. Yeah. I've never had a French fry like that here. You know why?
Really?
Because it tastes like Wendy's. You never had a Wendy's before. Like, food tastes different everywhere, but this tastes like American food.
Yeah. Oh.
Here's the last item. I'm personally not a fan of fish at all. Well,
That's fish?
salmon, yeah, this is their fish. We could eat it at the same. 3, 2, 1. Just lick
What
that
is-
part.
Yeah.
Like how?
No idea. But I like it.
You like it?
I like fish.
I think it's okay. It's not terrible,
Mm-hmm.
but it's not my thing. It does kind of taste like Long John Silver's a little bit. If you're a fan of Long John Silver's, then I'd say yeah, go ahead and try it. But I don't know anybody that's a fan of Long John Silver's. I don't know anybody that's actually keeping them in business. It's like coleslaw. Yeah. Out of 6 items, I like 4 of them, so that means that's good. Overall, the food was really good. I give Potato Corner in general an 8 out of 10. What would you give it? You tried everything, so what would you give it?
Like 6.5.
6.5. Damn. So you're probably not gonna like American food. These taste like American McDonald's. This tastes like Wendy's French fries. The pizza bites kind of taste like Hot Pockets a little bit, but it's like the ingredients are from here, so it just tastes like spaghetti.
Yeah. It tastes like spaghetti. This really smells good.
Yeah, it smells good. But does it taste good?
Yeah, it's
good? You like it?
it's good. It's good.
What would you give it out of 10?
I like 7.
7?
Yeah.
Okay. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.